Hi, my name is Prof. Francis Nazar. I am the co-founder and CTO of this company. My company name is APN Solar Energy Private Limited. My company was founded in 2012 and registered as in private limited in 2017. Our company is built with the 100 plus members of the family employee, and we have 2000 plus network channel partner in Pan India. Basically, our company deals with solar installation and solar products. Talking about solar installation, we help people to save their electricity bill. We are more into saving energies and saving electricity bill. APN Solar Energy Private Limited has a great USP with the core support team, core procurement team, and the team with the technical knowledge. Our company future plans is currently we are into solar installations. Our upcoming project is electric vehicle charging stations, and later on our future project plus 10 plus years, we are moving up to green hydrogen, so that our company social cause which we have to meet basically is totally in green area. So we are into green energy basically.